Both knees are going to point in the same direction. Both feet are going to point in the same direction. We've got a little bit of half kneeling to get to, and we'll get there, but just take this rest. Let's go back to our original kind of hip nourishment. And then rooting your hand down, go ahead and rise up. If you can do this part without using your hands, great. So we're going to go from here to here, sitting to some variation of kneeling. Curl the toes under of that right leg and set it out in front of you. And then just drop in a little bit. Unlike yoga, where we might be going for depth and depth and depth, I want us to go for a little bit of strength and stability here. Don't go too deep. Go to where you feel your spine has to start to accommodate, because at some point here, you're going to side bend or back bend. So stay shy of that moment. And then when you're pretty upright, lift the toes of your front foot. Excuse me, that's the heel. Lift the heel of your front foot and add that little tiny baby bit of challenge to this ankle. Little, but it changes it. One more lunge and we shall switch. It's a little side lunge, half kneeling position, starting with just an awareness of where our trunk starts to accommodate for the pelvis. And staying shy of that. And then lifting onto the tiptoes of your front leg.